Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring this brand new stamp set called Summer Happiness. This is online exclusive, so you got to go into the online store to grab it. Anyway, I started off with this is our new ink pad. It's a new style of ink pad. It is felt. It takes a little bit to sort of get used to it. Initially, I sort of scraped the ink down because it was fairly juicy, and then it's kind of like a twist tap 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 thing, and that was Golden Glow. So now I'm using Calypso Coral, which is a lovely kind of orange. It just has that beach vibe. So I'm going with beach vibes here. This is a little strip of basic white. I'm stamping right down. I'm going to be cutting this out. So I don't know why I gave you the measurements, but now I'm trained. Y'all trained me. So I'm still giving measurements so that you can do this. I do believe that you could use this stamp set for scrapbooking. I'm choosing to do a card. So this designer series paper is entitled Beach Boardwalk, and it's given me all the summer adventure vibes I could possibly want. We are right in the midst of summertime right now. When I'm filming this, we just celebrated a Canada Day, and the vibe is still strong with me. I know a lot of people are doing Christmas in July. Cannot be bothered right now. I'm so into summer. I live in Kelowna, British Columbia, which is in the west part of Canada. We have the best summers here. The sun sets late and the sun rises early. The weather is temperate. It's lovely. It was, I think, 28 today. It was a great day. All right, so I fussy cut that out, y'all. And then I have a piece of just a scrap piece of basic white. This is Strawberry Slush. Of course, I'm going to use the flip-flops. And I also used the Calypso Coral color as well. So I'm stamping twice. And I didn't rinse off between because I love these two colors together. Here are the dies for this stamp set, and super cute. That's part of the reason why I picked them up, because I think it would be a lot of fun to sort of die cut a whole bunch of pieces and then put them all together. But today is Monday, so we're doing something simple with this stamp set. I didn't use the dies. I'm fussy cutting like crazy. This is a leftover die cut that I had, and I believe it is from the, I can't remember what it's called. Oh, here it is, Nested Essential Dies. A scrap piece of that was around my desk, so you could use a rectangle if you wanted. So I put the Summer Adventures on dimensionals, and then I'm adhering this kind of in the middle. And then one of the flip-flops, I end up changing which one I want there, but one of them goes on the front and one of them goes on the inside because I'm still doing the inside of the cards. Pat on the back for me for doing well with my New Year's resolution. All right, and that's it, you guys. I'm going to leave links in the description box below in case you want to check any of the products out for yourself. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It does help my small channel grow. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment below, and I will be back on Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.